Good afternoon, my name is Verde Palacios Monedero. I am Sena, apprentice of Industrial Clothing Partner Design. Then I am going to present a video about my favorite tourist place, which is La Vitrera. Where is it located? From Palmira to the Vitrera, it's the 23.3 kilometer, moderately traffic out I back try located near Palmira, Valle del Cauca, Colombia. It has a river and is rated at moderate. The trail is primarily used from hiking, running, and road biking. How is it? They have a church that looks like a crestly from the angle you can see. The sunset, which orange, red, or pink are purple colors. It has a park for children, totally free. What items are there? Mountains, I seen images, lights, swim pools y church. Important element, the most popular restaurant in La Vitrera. The restaurant is called Acuarela del Sol. It took almost 2 years to do it. In the restaurant you can appreciate the beautiful view, you can stay, the food is delicious, you can go as family or as couple. It is also famous because they have proposed marriage, several people, everything is very romantic. Night or day, or at any time, everything is perfect. What feelings does the place convey? Perfect, cold or hot, weather, sensations, the smell of nature, pure air, its breath, its natural environment, and the road is going condition, lots of mountain sports, adrenaline because there is paragliding. What feelings we have you chosen that place? I chose that place because it brings back very nice memories. I know that place when I was very 5 years old. I don't remember sometimes very well, but I do remember when I rode a horse for the first time, or when they put my own helicopter. They are small memories, but amazing. That place has grown a lot. I thought we feel that this place is my home. Thank you so much.